अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्या हाल चाल है आपके? ठीक हैं? उम्मीद है सब खैरियत से होंगे। वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैथमेटिकल रूम। आज हम जो लेक्चर स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं दैट्स द actually it's the continuity of the previous lecture in which we have studied about the when we take the square of the trinomial, then how can we write in the expanded form. So let's start with the previous example that we have done in our last lecture, that if three different kind of variables when adding with each other and we take the square of them, then they will be equal to square of first plus square of second plus square of third plus 2 into first into second plus 2 into second into third and then plus 2 into third into first. Then after, when we done the little bit more simplification, then we have taken the two common and then the remaining expression is AB plus BC plus CA. So we can write down the expression of the trinomial when we take a square of that. So it can be written like a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. So let's start today's lecture. That I have already written this little statement for this video, that how to find the value by using the formula square of trinomial. Square of trinomial, as we have already studied about the square, that's the square of trinomial. Trinomial means कि three terms इसमें आ रही हैं, इसलिए इसको trinomial कहते हैं. That I have already told you in my previous video. So let's start from here, that how to find the value by using the formula square of trinomial when two expressions are given. So I told you that we got three expressions in this formula. So when two expressions are given, so how can we find the value of the third expression? So third expression could be this one or this one or this one. So let's take an example that how it works. That keep this formula in your mind, and then I'm going to write an example to find the value of third expression. So if two expressions are given, that suppose I'm taking this example from the book of 9th class, that I've already told you that these all these lectures that I'm giving you is related to the 8th, 9th and 10th syllabus. So let's suppose that the two values are given like a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 43, and second expression is given like AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 3. Then find the value of A plus B plus C is equal to question mark. So that question mark means that we have to find the value of A plus B plus C when the values of these expressions are given. So a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 43, and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 3. So as we know formula that a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus into 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. So if you see the example that is given over there, the values of a square plus b square is given as 43, and the value of ab plus bc plus ca is given as number 3. So by putting the values in this formula, if you see that we have to find a plus b, so those things that we have to find we will write as it is, a plus b plus c, क्योंकि ये चीज़ हमने फाइंड आउट करनी होती है, जो चीज़ फाइंड करनी होती है उसको उसी तरीके से लिख दिया जाता है. And then if you see this expression, a square plus b square plus c square is given as 43. So we will put the value of a square plus b square plus c square as 43. Then plus sign this one 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. So value of this expression is also given as 3. So we will write 3 over here. So now with a little bit simplification, we will find 43 plus 2 into 3 means 2 multiplied with 3. So 2 3s are 6. And when we add these two numbers, that becomes 49. Now, if you see there that a plus b plus c whole square is equal to 49. But if you see that what the question is asking about, that a plus b plus c we have to find, तो उसमें अब क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो वैल्यू आ रही है वो a plus b plus c होल स्क्वायर की है, तो हमने इस स्क्वायर को ख़त्म करना है. When you remove this square, that's the simple formula that by taking the under root of both sides to cancel this square. So by taking under root on both sides, of the equation, so जब इसका अंडर रूट लेंगे तो ये आपके पास a plus b plus c स्क्वायर अंडर रूट में इस तरह आ जाएगा, एंड देन 49 अंडर रूट में इस तरह आ जाएगा. सो ये स्क्वायर और ये अंडर रूट आपस में कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. इट मीन्स आपके पास a plus b plus c रह जाएगा, और 49 का जो आंसर है कि अंडर रूट 49 मीन्स कि वो कौन से दो एक जैसे नंबर्स हैं जिनको हम मल्टीप्लाई करके 49 लिख सकते हैं. सो 7 multiplied by 7 or 7 raised to power 2 means that is equals to 49. 7 raised to power 2. ये वाला 2 जो है वो स्क्वायर अंडर रूट के साथ कैंसिल हो जाएगा और बाकी आपके पास 7 आ जाएगा. एक और चीज़ इन पे आपको मैं बताता चलूँ कि जिस वक्त किसी नंबर का अंडर रूट लेते हैं तो अंडर रूट स्क्वायर के साथ कैंसिल होने के बाद आपके पास जो आंसर आता है वो हमेशा प्लस एंड माइनस में होता है. सो प्लस एंड माइनस मीन्स that we don't know that number 49, how did we get that multiplying the number that -7 multiplied by -7 is equals to 49, and 7 multiplied by 7 is equals to 49. So we don't know that this 49, how it has become even with these two numbers by multiplying with each other, or these two numbers, यानी माइनस के नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करके ये 49 आया, या प्लस के नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करके 49 आया. तो हम क्या करते हैं, that we will write with the two signs plus minus 7. So whenever you take the under root of any number, we have to put these two signs with the number. So a plus b plus c is equal to plus minus 7. So that's the answer that we have to find. If you see over here in this example, that we have to find the value of a plus b plus c. So here we have found the value of a plus b plus c is equal to plus minus 7. तो ये है जी आज का लेक्चर. How can we use find the values by using the trinomial, square of trinomial formula. तो ये एक छोटी सी एग्जांपल थी जो आपको मैंने यहाँ पे बताई है. उम्मीद है कि आपको समझ आई होगी. इंशाल्लाह ताला अपने अगले लेक्चर में एक आध और एग्जांपल लेके आएंगे. तब तक के लिए इजाज़त दें. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा ताकि आपको जो वीडियोस हैं वो डायरेक्टली आपके पास पहुंच सकें और आप इजीली इन वीडियोस को एक्सेस कर सकें. बहुत शुक्रिया. फिर अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं. खुदा हाफिज़.